Hi guys, it's teacher Lily, and today I wanted to show you my new standing desk. I'm super excited because so far I love it. Today was the first morning that I taught with my standing desk, and it is a life changer, honestly. I was always sitting. I've been teaching for 3.5 years and always sitting, which is okay. But for me personally, I have neck issues, big neck issues and big back problems because I had a crazy car accident several years back. I have a titanium plate in my neck. So after each class, I would stand up and walk around and come back and sit down. So I've been thinking about it for a long time, and I've seen that other teachers have a standing desk. Even my husband has a standing desk at work, and he said it is really good. So I was like, well, let me try it. I don't want to spend $1 million on a standing desk. So I ordered mine from Amazon, and I was looking for one for a long time, and they are so expensive. So I got one that manually comes up and down. I didn't want to get one that you just, those little desks or things that you put on top of your desk, because I have a Mac. It's a pretty big screen, so a Mac computer, and I just was afraid like it wasn't going to be stable enough for my computer. So I was like, you know what, I'm looking for an actual stable desk, and I found one. I'm going to show you in a moment, but right now with this camera, this is what you see. This is what you see, but when I am teaching, it does not look this way. I'm going to show you that as well, so you can see what I'm talking about. This is my background. I am standing right in front of my desk, and honestly, it is so awesome. Today I was just moving around and dancing while I was teaching with the kids and playing hide and seek, and it was just so freeing, and it was just so awesome. I really liked it, and I just wanted to show you guys in case you're thinking about it or wondering, should I get a standing desk? Is it more comfortable? It's so much better. I am going to purchase soon a stool, but it's more like a chair stool, like with a back, just for, those times when I'm just teaching a lot of back to back, and I just need that moment to sit down just to have that. But other than that, I love it. I love it. I can dance, I can walk. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Check it out. So here I am. I'm standing right in front of my computer. Okay. Don't mind me. I have a lot of stuff, and I just finished teaching, so everything is a big fat mess. But this is where I have my desk, and this is what it looks like on screen. So you can see my background when I move. Yay! Hello, it's teacher Lily. This is my background. So I just wanted to give you a little tour. This is what it looks like. This is where I stand right here. I have everything around me, very, very close to me. My printer, storage, prop storage. I have my lighting. And what I did is that the original desk that I had there, I decided to put it right here because I purchased a Cricut machine. Yay! So this is going to be my little craft corner, and I still have to put something there. This is the chair that I always use to sit down. It's very comfortable, but like I said, my situation is a little different with my neck. So I'm going to be getting a stool just to have there as a backup. This is the shelf that I had originally on this side, and I moved it over here. And there you go, guys. This is my standing desk. Amazon, guys, and I paid, I believe it's on Amazon for $89. I shall share the link with you guys down below. And there you have it, guys. I hope that this might help you decide whether or not you want to get a standing desk. I absolutely love it so far, although this was my first day that I used it. Like I said, I have a lot of freedom to move around, walk around and be very animated, use a lot of CPR with my students, dance, and have so much fun. And it just really helps with my back. It really helps, you know, stay active as well, which is good, because sitting every day is not good for the weight gain and for mobility. So I really hope that you enjoy this. Please give it a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.